Hi, today we will be showcasing some of SalonEZ's advanced services, such as assigning multiple employees onto one ticket. First, select a technician. Then select a service. Then select a customer to assign the service to. Now, let's say the customer has 2 kids. So let's see how we can add more employees to accommodate this valued customer using SalonEZ. To do so, simply click More Employees and then add the service that corresponds with the service requested for each additional child. Repeat this process until the customer and their party are fully accommodated. As you can see, now we have multiple employees and services to accommodate the customer while all being packaged on one ticket. Once the customer is ready to check out, we can see that tips are now also conveniently separated 3 ways and payment options will appear right after. As a reminder, when this prompt appears, select Yes if you would like to send the customer a direct request for a review, and No if you would not like to. A great feature to take advantage of, as positive reviews are key to building and growing your brand as a salon. Moving on, we would also like to highlight our service commission report. To access this feature, simply click on Report. Navigate to Service Commission Report. Type in your password. Then you will be able to easily see detailed descriptions of all services provided by your business as well as tips, service splits, tip commissions, and you are also provided the option to export this to an Excel sheet, print summary, or run the total finances for each day. Thank you for sticking with us through the end of this video. We hope this video was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.